Ciao, ciao.
Hi.
Did I tell you we were having a great day?
We were having a great day.
We had a great day. However, we've gone from one issue to another.
And the issues have not been good.
We found the oil leak.
Yeah.
We found a water leak on the engine.
Yep.
Where the impeller is at. So I gotta fix those. So that's a whole nother issue, day, week. Who knows?
Saw the boat.
I know we can't go out right now. Anyway, so we're sitting here and the bilge keeps going off.
Keeps going off, and it's like, okay, what? And the blazes is making it go off.
And then the water pump starts going off. Starts grr, grr. What in the world? We can't find it. We found it.
We found it.
The hot water tank is leaking.
Yep. And that little thing right there.
Right here. And so now I gotta try and
It's leaking right there.
and take this off
I can hold the flashlight.
and see what I can do.
Yeah.
So anyway, I hope so. This is real, my friends. I hope you've had a fantastic day. We had a beautiful, phenomenal day. But this is the realities of what happens in life. So anyway, we gotta fix it.
Well, we had to cut it. We got that off. It was in that hole.
Yep.
There was the tube laying down there that Mike had to cut. But this thing here looks just fine.
But this is where it was leaking when we were pushing on it. You could hear it go psst.
But only when you pushed on the... It's hot in there. It's hot water, you big doomus. But only when you pushed on the
On this
tubing.
thing.
The tube. So is there a hole on the tube? We know.
Kind of. That's like. Sell the boat.
We interrupt this week's episode for a special announcement. Over to you, Mike.
Thank you, Juanita. How would you like to have a special edition Anchors Away sailing hat? Or Anchors Away sailing hat? If you'd like one, go to our Patreon page, Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing, and join our Patreon page, and you could have one of these hats, or two, or maybe you don't want a hat. Maybe you would rather have a special edition, limited edition, Anchors Away Sailing t-shirt while they last. Have different colors, different sizes. They're limited edition. Get yours today by going again to Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing. And we may be seeing you out on the water with one of these or with one of these. Until next time.
Thank you, Mike. Now back to our regularly scheduled episode. Good morning.
Morning.
It's Monday
Hello.
morning. Hello. Last time we go ahead.
Good.
No, you're good.
Yep.
Go.
Hope you're going to have a fabulous day.
Yes. Hope you're having a fabulous Monday. Fabulous, man. Fabulous.
Could be Friday. Don't know when they're watching.
This is true. Any day you're watching, I hope you're having a fabulous day.
And when you're not watching.
Exactly. The last we left you, last night, we were putting this on because our water wasn't working.
A woman's job is never done.
And I'm not sure if we actually taped when this broke off. Because it wasn't a pretty sight.
Because it was already broken that we thought it was, but we weren't sure.
And then it was broken.
We found out once we screwed it back in.
Screwed it back in that this broke off.
It was broken.
And we couldn't get it unscrewed because we were Juanita was over it.
It was late.
Late.
This was stuck inside.
Stuck inside. Couldn't figure out how to get it out.
So we left it, no water.
No water.
And went to bed.
Yes. Then as we're sleeping, air conditioner does something funky. I don't know. It won't shut off now. We complained we couldn't get it turned on. Now we can't get it to shut off. I was like, this is one of the sailboat moments, apparently. I was like, okay. So this morning, I was able to get Mike's handy dandy knife here.
The lady's work is never done.
And I got it in there and I was able to get the piece unscrewed. So we're on our way to find one of these.
Find one.
So we can at least have the water fixed. So then all we have left is to fix the diesel engine and figure out what's going on with the air conditioner. Diesel engine, I think, takes priority.
Yeah, because we can't leave the dock.
No.
Can't start it. It's
No. Well, we can start it, but it just spews oil out at you. It's like it's spitting on you. I spit on thee, I spit on thee.
Wow.
So.
She is a morning person. I, on the other hand, am not.
Oh, in case you haven't noticed. But we're on our way to see what we can find. We will probably go home tonight. Makes it a little difficult.
You can't go out on the water.
You can't go out on the water, and it's really pretty outside today. And if the air's not quite working, it makes it kind of hard when you're not prepared to be able to fix either one of those. We know what's wrong with the diesel engine. We just need to get a diesel mechanic, we believe. Not something that we're comfortable with.
That's something Mike's not. Yeah.
But right.
I'm basic mechanical things. Gets into intricate stuff. No, I'm not playing with it.
Right. We will keep you updated on the saga of Fishy. She was doing great for us, and then all of a sudden she's like, oh, heck no. I don't know what y'all are doing to me, but I'm done. It's like a boo. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm laying down for a while. Exactly. We will keep you posted as soon as we find this piece of hose.
Yes.
Heidi ho, peoples.
Do you want to do that again?
Not really.
Good.
Heidi ho, peoples. Well, we made it to the store to get our
Part
that we needed. That's exactly what we had in there.
It's exactly what we need. So anyway, now
Mike's gonna put it on.
The install.
Yes. Fingers crossed.
Hopefully it won't leak. So
Got something fixed before we go home and see a boo.
yeah. Anyway, here we go.
Yes.
I don't know if you want to see the boring details.
Probably not.
Most people don't. So
no, we kind of bored you with the engine.
I'm gonna put some plumber's tape on her
And screw her in.
There we go. And we'll show you the finished product. How about that?
Yes.
Here we go.
Okay. We put it on.
Put it on.
here we go. Moment of
We'll
truth.
see how bad of a plumber I am.
Turning it on. Ready?
It seems like I put it in crooked. So let's roll with it.
3, 2, 1. On. You gotta open up the thing.
I already did. Can you turn on the hot water?
Turn it on.
Yeah. I filmed. Actually, you need to turn on the cold water too. So. I see a leak. I don't have it tightened enough. I got a dripper. Dang! Okay, turn the pump off. This is why I'm not a plumber. Just a drip.
At least it wasn't squirting last night. Last night we turned it on and it squirted out at us.
I know. It's not leaking.
But it's not running. It's coming out like,
Well, that's a good thing.
it's coming out like we're low on water in the tanks.
Turn off the cold water.
It actually, the water in the tanks were low.
Yeah.
That's what it's doing. And I can see the water right there. Is that coming in or is that going out?
Going in. We're not leaking. That's a good thing. That's fixed. I gotta get the pump to shut off.
Yep. Juanita was right again.
Wait.
No, what?
Who fixed it?
Juanita did. I bought the piece. I got the piece out of there. And I told you that the water tank was empty. That's why we didn't have no water coming out of it. But you did put the hose back on and you screwed it in.
Once again, a lady's job is never done. See how it works?
I'm
Juanita?
busy today.
You did an awesome job.
Thank you. So did Joe.
I'm just a support team.
We support each other. That we do.
No runs, no leaks, no errors.
Knocking on wood.
Yeah. Yay!
Yay! Got something fixed.
We got
And the
water
air
and it
has
won't
decided-
be dumping into bills now. And now the air conditioner's working perfect.
Yeah, turning on and off. I don't know.
Oh well.
But hey, yay! Yep.
Until next time.
Uh-huh. Yep. Next time. Ciao, ciao.